A quick check now of the sharp political exchange in Telangana over the state's precarious financial situation. This after Chief Minister Revanth Reddy publicly acknowledged the threat of the state heading towards bankruptcy because of the huge loans it has taken. The state's finances have been a serious concern for a while now, and while the opposition BRS has blamed the Revanth Reddy government of mismanaging the state, the Congress has pointed out that it had inherited a precarious fiscal reality from the BRS when it came to power in 2023.
రాష్ట్రం ఆర్థికంగా బాగలేదు, అప్పు పుడతలేదు, అనా పైసా ఎవడు ఇస్తలేడు. ఎవరినైనా గెలవడానికి పోతే బ్యాంకర్లు దొంగలను చూసినట్టు చూస్తున్నారు తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ప్రతినిధులను. ఎవడు ఢిల్లీకి పోతే అపాయింట్మెంట్ కూడా ఇస్తలేడు, వీడు వస్తే చెప్పులు కూడా ఎత్తుకుపోతాడేమో అన్నట్టుగా ఆ పరిస్థితి ఉంది దేశం ముందల. అప్పు పుడితే నేను కూడా ఏదో ఒకటి చేసి తెచ్చిచ్చేటను, అప్పు పుట్టట్లేదు, ఎవడు బజార్లో నమ్మడం లేదు. స్వీయ నియంత్రణనే దీనికి పరిష్కారము. ఉన్నంతలో గౌరవంగా సంసారాన్ని నడిపితే బజార్లో ఎవడైనా నమ్ముతాడు. వీధికెక్కి రచ్చ చేసుకుంటే కుటుంబం పరువు బజార్లో పడేసుకుంటే ఎట్లుంటుందో, ఉద్యోగ సంఘ నాయకులారా, రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం అనేది మన కుటుంబము. ఈ పరువును బజార్లో మీరు పడేస్తాము అనంటే కుటుంబ పెద్దగా వద్దు అని నేను విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నా.
आज रेवंत रेड्डी ये कह रहे हैं कि स्टेट बैंकरप्ट है. आई एम टेलिंग द चीफ मिनिस्टर, द स्टेट ऑफ तेलंगाना इज नॉट बैंकरप्ट. इट इज योर कांग्रेस पार्टी दैट इज इंटेलेक्चुअली बैंकरप्ट एंड मॉरली बिरेफ्ट. मैं इसलिए मॉरली बिरेफ्ट कह रहा हूं क्योंकि आप इलेक्शन से पहले कोई वादा करते हो तो उसको निभाने की क्षमता, निभाने की एक प्लानिंग भी होना चाहिए. The chief minister is trying to hoodwink people. The chief minister is trying to fool people and basically get away from implementing all the promises his party has made before coming into government.
A sharp exchange between Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy and BRS Working President K.T. Ramarao, each blaming the other for the dire straits in which the state finances are. Telangana's Chief Minister, in fact, blamed the previous BRS government for leaving the state in a huge debt, saying that he's paying as much as 7,000 crore rupees every month just towards debt servicing, and that's the reason why he will not be able to meet any additional demands being made by the employees. And he said, in the context of certain employee unions declaring war against the government, he said the employees are in fact the people who are also part of the government along with the political leadership, and therefore they also have some responsibility towards 97 to 98% of the population, because employee population is only about 2.5 to 3% in the state. K.T. Ramarao was retorting to that and said that the bankruptcy is not of the state finances but of the intellectual leadership of the government, and he in fact said that they will not brook any insult to either the employees or the mismanagement of the economy as is being alleged by the Revanth Reddy government. And he said that it is because they are mismanaged that they are not being able to show good progress in terms of managing the resources and being able to fulfill the promises that they had made to the people of Telangana. So that war of words between the Chief Minister and Mr. K.T. Ramarao turning quite ugly, but the Chief Minister putting forth saying that he gets only about 18,500 crore rupees per month as revenue, out of which if 7,000 crore rupees goes just in loan servicing, where is he expected to get extra money for that? And he said in fact that people are no longer trusting Telangana and they are avoiding Telangana when he is going for asking for a loan, and no one is willing to lend because we need to bring in first financial discipline within the state.